Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Whenever you need them, thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. You can run predefined reports to reconcile subledger application balances to general ledger. Balances. Report. Option A. Financial category. Option B. Third-party control account. Option C. End date. Option D. Start date. Option E. Reconcile. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option E. Reconcile. Question 2. Your new accountants have been making mistakes in reconciling accounts assigned to them. Your account balances have either spiked or dropped 30 to 40% every period due to human error. This causes delays in reconciliation. What feature can you use to be proactively notified of account anomalies in a more timely manner? Option A. Smart View. Option B. Financial reports with embedded charts. Option C. Account Inspector and its charts. Option D. Account Monitor. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Account Monitor. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.